Well, welcome to this quick introduction to the BRAVOZONE. The BRAVOZONE currently offers 10 different templates for you to create content for instructor-led or self-paced sessions. Let's go ahead and get started and introduce you to the 10 templates and some of the basics of what the BRAVOZONE offers. Quiz Show is based off the ever-popular Hollywood game format. Our version gives you more options to engage your learners for instructor-led or self-paced sessions. Spin-off places your content on a roulette-style wheel where each spoke is a topic or category and spins at random. Load as many questions behind each category to drill down for a deeper understanding. You can even rig the wheel so you stay in control of the flow of information. Billionaire engages your trainees with their suspenseful Hollywood-style game as questions become more challenging the higher up the ladder you go. Invite your students to use helpful lifelines as they play in the classroom, self-paced, or in your learning management system. Catapult your learning with this medieval challenge. Outwit your opponent by answering questions correctly and be rewarded with catapulting the other castles with all sorts of mayhem. This back-and-forth battle will end with the fire-breathing dragon's wrath, and the victorious castle will live to see another day. With Moonshot, a successful landing means answering questions correctly and avoiding all sorts of annoying space debris and angry aliens. Whether playing against other teams or on your own, Moonshot is a wild way to engage in outer space. Tally provides multiple ways to engage your audience while incorporating slides, media, and you name it. Uncovering knowledge gaps and quick polling have never been easier and more interactive. Trainings can play in teams or in a leaderboard style. As with all other templates, reporting is always available. Dash offers a fast-paced game for instructor-led or self-paced quizzes featuring a variety of question types. Fill in the blank, multiple choice, true, false, word cloud, just to name a few. Dash provides you a fun way to learn what they know and how quickly they can access the answers. Just how confident are your students' answer choices? That's exactly how confidence will challenge your students as they play this unique game in the classroom and self-paced environments. Before an answer is even submitted, students must assign a point value as to how sure they are of their answers. Instructors and students alike will instantly get valuable feedback for powerful mediation. Spark is a snap for self-paced micro-learning and assessments. Use a variety of question types and track results back to the BRAVOZONE or on your own learning management system. Spark can be played in assessment or game mode, depending on what your objective is. Give your next self-paced quiz a whirl with this unique approach to content review and assessments. Unlike Vegas, leave nothing to chance for real retention and engagement. Whirl offers you cool options to customize your categories and exciting bonus points to better motivate your trainees. Well, that is a quick rundown of what the templates look like within the BRAVOZONE. The best way to learn is to get started creating. If you have any questions or want a personal run-through, just reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next training more engaging.